Hi, I'm Julia with Blackbird & Company, and it's unboxing day. Congratulations, you just received your first grade level collection. Your box has been carefully hand-packed to make sure that no items arrive damaged. This means that the materials are not in any particular order. So let's unpack and organize them. Inside this box is all the contents you need for a fun and successful first grade language arts experience. We first are having a Hatchling Volume 2 Tins collection, dry erase markers, our Calendar of Days journal, our Kickstarter books, Henry and Mudge collection set, a Tubaloo, an eraser, the Frog and Toad collection, a sandbox, your teacher's help guide, along with phonics object cutout pages, and your discovery guides. Lots and lots of picture books. More picture books. Calendar books. A calendar whiteboard. And last but not least, the movable alphabet. Now that we've finished organizing all of your materials, what now? A great place to start is with your unboxing handout. This packet is really important to read because it will provide a lot of great strategies and guidance for getting you started. Blackbird & Company curriculum is a unique program designed to promote reading, writing, and thinking skills in your student. There are 3 components that make up your first grade curriculum: Hatchling Volume 2, Calendar of Days, and the Kickstarter books. Hatchling Reading and Writing through Phonics includes everything you need to support your student through a rich language arts experience. Start with the Teacher's Help Guide. This thin volume includes a lot of strategies and guidance to help you through both kindergarten and first grade. The multi-sensory material will introduce new concepts and provide opportunity for practice and review. Your first grade level collection includes volumes 2A through 2G student discovery journals, along with 13 integrated picture books. Your phonics object cutout pages, the phonics small objects with their coordinating phonics flashcards, movable alphabet. Remember that we have a free spelling resource that goes along with the movable alphabet on our website. A sand tray, a Tubaloo, and 2 independent reader sets, Frog and Toad, as well as the Henry and Mudge collection. Calendar of Days is a daily journal which tracks days, weeks, months, years, seasons, and weather. It inspires an anticipation for each new day. Along with the journal are 2 books, one about the weather and one about the days of the week. It also comes with a whiteboard which matches the journal pages, dry erase markers, and an eraser. Kickstarter books are a really fun way for kids to create books that they want to read while learning their sight words. Kickstarter books come with 15 just right readers and colored pencils, and a sharpener. Remember that there are dive deeper resources in your unboxing handout as well as on our website under our parent-teacher dropdown. Contact us anytime you need fine-tuning. We're always here to help. It's been so fun unboxing first grade language arts with you. Remember, you can do this, you're the hero.